What's up, guys, and welcome to episode 5 of the One Hit Wonder Thrift series. My name is Nick, and today we are thrifting. Tonight is actually date night, and my wife is getting a massage right now. So for her birthday in December, I bought her a massage gift card. She's getting that done right now. So this area where we're at happens to be where my #1 favorite thrift store is. It's like right outside this area. So I'm gonna swing by there and I'm going to make the best of this situation, the very best. And so let's get in there, let's see what we can find. Remember the parameters here. Going to one thrift store, looking for one item. That item has to be $15 or less. Gotta be fast, we gotta get in there and out of there quickly.
I found these decent looking Jordans. They weren't excellent, but they could have potentially made some money. I set them down here, grabbed my phone, only to realize my phone was not in my pocket, so I hid the shoes, ran out to my van, and then came back in with my phone. Comps, there were a few for sale. There was only one sold in the United States, and that was for $80 plus shipping, and it was an excellent piece. So I was kind of on the fence for a little while with these. However, I decided ultimately to go with something else for the day. So after looking at all of those air fryers and pressure cookers, I found this Callaway Golf bag. It is the Izzo Technology 7-way bag with the stand. It does not come with the cover, unfortunately. Most golf bags have a cover, this one does not, but it does have the expandable stand on it, which is awesome. They wanted $8.25 for it, but it's yellow tag, and yellow tag is half off this week. So I actually paid $4.15. Out the door was a little bit more, I guess $4.50, $4.75. Not bad. There was only one sold comp that sold for $57.60. Shipping on these bags is not that much. It's about $20. So definitely some money to be made. So today was yellow day. Everything yellow tag is 50% off. My golf bag is 50% off because it's yellow tags. I paid $4 for it, $4.15. Super pumped about that. More profit for me, more money in my pocket when it's said and done. The only downfall to this bag is that it is a little bit dirty, so I'll have to clean it up, but I ain't mad about it. All right, so
I was able to knock 30 minutes off of the clock by hanging out here at Goodwill. My wife still has 1 hour left on her massage, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just go hang out and read somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, so out the door, I paid a total of $10 exactly. I rounded up. I normally don't do that, but for whatever reason, I just felt like doing it. Rounded up and walked out the door paying $10. I did buy a chess set for my son and I. We play chess quite often, and we just have like a cheap little $5 wooden set. And this was a crystal, is it crystal or like a glass set? So just wanted something a little bit more of with weight to it. So got this glass set, chess set. All the pieces are there. It was $5, so picked it up. Now, that's it. I will check back in with you guys probably tomorrow when I get home and actually get to listing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for episode 5 of the One Hit Wonder. We got our one hit, so that's awesome. I'm so happy with this piece that we got today. Going to photograph and list it tomorrow, and then we will be on our way with that. Thank you for tuning into this episode, and I'll see you on episode 6.